Today I am going to explain the 8th experiment of dbms lab. The first question is, write a PLSQL procedure that will accept the product ID from the user, check if the product is supplied by the supplier, and display the status. For this we use the code create or replace procedure P1 X in number PID out varchar 2 is begin, select distinct product ID into PID from suppliers where product ID equal to X and PID equal to X. Then dbms.output.put line product PID is supplied, else product PID is not supplied. So the procedure is created, and then what we do is we give two attributes to the procedure, then we get the product 2000 is supplied. Write a procedure to calculate the total price of the product that has been supplied. Pass the supply ID as the argument. So for this what we do is, in the code we supply X, P and Q, U in the procedure as variables, and then select distinct price into P from order quantity where product ID equal to select product ID from suppliers where SID equal to X. Select distinct order quantity into QU from suppliers where SID equal to X. Then we have to multiply P into QU and then display it. For this the output comes like this, we get the total price. Then third question is to write a procedure raise quantity which increases quantity of the ordered product. It accepts an order ID and quantity to be increased. It uses the order ID to find the current quantity of the order table and update the quantity. So for this what we do is create and replace the procedure raise quantity. We give three variables as the parameters. Then we give the code as select distinct order quantity into Q1 where order ID equal to O. Then we display the present quantity. Then we update the quantity and then we display the updated quantity. And then this will be the output. First we get the present quantity and then we get the updated quantity. Fourth question is to write a PLSQL function status to return value supplied if the product number passed to it is available in supply table, else it will return not supplied. So for this what we do is we create a procedure, then we create a cursor. Then here what we do is we get the variables, we fetch it and then give it to the cursor. Then if PID is equal to B, then it is supplied, else it is not supplied. So since whatever we gave was already supplied, we get the output as supplied. And the fifth question is write a PLSQL function to return the product name where the product ID is passed as an argument. For this create and replace function F1. Return varchar 2 is PD variable 220 begin select product description into PD where product ID equal to PID return PD. So what we do is we give the values into this and then we get the output as office chair. Then the last question is write a PLSQL function to return the maximum quantity ordered by the customer. So the code used here is select maximum order quantity into Q and then return Q. So for this we get a number as the output. That's all. Thank you.